Hi, I'm Shonna Murrey with the Ira Real Estate team, brokered by eXp Realty. Today we're going to talk about fall maintenance of your exterior of your home. Number one, gutters and downspouts. You want to make sure that if you have any trees around your house that you get any of your gutters cleaned out for leaves. And then you also want to make sure that your downspouts, that you have coverage in the bottom here to make sure that you are 4 to 6 feet away from your foundation so you don't have any issues with water going into your basement. Number two, weather stripping for your doors and your windows. You want to make sure that both of them seal correctly. Otherwise, you're going to spend a lot of money on heating. So you want to make sure that your weather stripping is nice and tight. Number three, you want to look at your door threshold. Again, you want to make sure that you have a good seal right here and that there's no gap. Number four, make sure that you take your hoses off of your outside hose spigot to make sure that there's no cracking on your plumbing on the inside. Tip number five, make sure that your garage weather stripping or sealing is also done correctly and is nice and tight. So that way you're not letting cold air in to your garage that will then filter into your house. For more tips, make sure that you look at our newsletter or visit our website. Again, I'm Shonna Murrey with the Ira Real Estate team, brokered by eXp Realty.